Hi everyone, Morteza here. In this video I want to show you how the folder size calculator Python script works. Before that, I'll first do a recap of what I talked about in my previous video, which was about the directory inventory generator and how you can use it for getting the list of files and folders inside a specified directory. As I explained, you can use the directory inventory generator to get a comprehensive list of files and folders inside a directory. So you'll just select a directory and then click on generate inventory, and then you open the output file, which will open in Excel. So as you can see in the generated list of files and folders, you have the column G, which is the size in bytes. And as you can see, for folders like row 2 and row 3, the size column is empty. You just have a dash there. So if I filter this data based on folders, you would see that this list actually doesn't include the size for any of the folders. And I'll show you how to use the folder size calculator script to get the size of files and folders and add them to your inventory. To get the folder size calculator script, you'll need to go to github.com/ubc-archives and click on this repository. I'll also put the URL to this page in the video description. So in this page, if you scroll down, you would see that you would obviously need to first download and install Python if you haven't already. I've already shown how that works in my previous video about the directory inventory generator. So after you have Python installed on your system, you'll just need to click on this link to get the script of the folder size calculator. In this page, you'll go to the download icon here and click on it to get the file. And you'll need to click on keep to get the Python script downloaded onto your system. When you have the ubc-rmo_fsc.py file, which is the folder size calculator file, you'll need to create a text file as an input to this script. To do that, you'll need to open the inventory generated using the directory inventory generator. So when you have the output open in Excel, what you need to do is to select columns B, C, D, E, and F, and then just hide them. And then select columns A and G, copy them, Control C, and paste it into an empty notepad file. Control V, and then you go to the first line and get rid of this, and you'll save this file as input.txt to the same folder where you have saved your folder size calculator Python script. So as you can see, the input.txt file and the folder size calculator script are in the same folder, and you'll just need to open the script. So I'll just press enter, and in about a second I get this output file, which I'll need to open. So what you need to do next is to copy this data from the output.txt file and go to your inventory file, unhide the hidden columns, and then add 2 new columns beside your size column, and paste the data that you have copied from the output file to the second row in the new columns. So you already have the full path, so you can get rid of this one. And then you can put in the title size megabytes. And as you can see in the rows where you have folders, you now see the size of the folders in megabytes. Also in other rows, you're getting the size of each file in megabytes. One thing you need to know about the folder size calculator is that the input file doesn't necessarily need to come from the directory inventory generator, but it should have the same structure, which is you should have the full path of the files sorted alphabetically and the size of files in bytes. And also in cells related to folder sizes, you need to have dashes. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.